Today, I'll show you how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. If a website looks stuck, shows an old version, or doesn't display your latest changes, a hard refresh can help. Chrome's official shortcut guide says a hard reload refreshes the current page while ignoring cached content. So Chrome asks the website for fresh files instead of reusing old ones saved in the browser. If you're using Chrome on Windows, the quickest way is to open the page and press Ctrl plus Shift plus R. Chrome's DevTools shortcuts also list Ctrl plus F5 as another hard reload shortcut on Windows. Both do the same thing. They reload the page and bypass the usual cache for that refresh. If you're using Chrome on a Mac, open the page and press Command plus Shift plus R. Chrome's official DevTools shortcuts page lists that as the hard reload shortcut on macOS. So if a page isn't updating properly, that's the main shortcut to use on Mac. Now, there's also a stronger version of this if a normal hard refresh still doesn't fix the problem. Google's Chrome for Developers documentation says that when DevTools is open, you can click and hold the reload button and choose empty cache and hard reload. Google explains that this forces the browser to go to the network for all resources, which is especially useful when you want to see the page more like a first-time visitor would. To do that, first open DevTools in Chrome, then click and hold the reload icon near the address bar. A small menu should appear with options including hard reload and empty cache, and hard reload. Choose empty cache and hard reload if you want the strongest refresh option built into Chrome. One important thing to remember is that a normal refresh and a hard refresh are not the same. A normal refresh may still use cached files, while a hard refresh tells Chrome to ignore them for that page load. That's why hard refresh is often used when websites look broken, updates aren't showing, or page changes seem delayed. And that's how to do a hard refresh in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.